Hi everyone, this week we're talking about poached sole and roasted potatoes. This recipe is ridiculously easy. All you need is potatoes, some sole, and salt. So first you're going to do is you're going to chop up the potatoes. I like them in little cubes, makes it easier to roast them. Once that's done, you're going to salt them and put them onto a cookie sheet. And make sure you've preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Moving forward to the poached sole, what you're going to do is take some defrosted fillets and you're going to put them into little foil packets. This will give them the flavor kind of locked in. You're going to salt them before you roll them up. You can also substitute these with sea bass. Just sole was all that was available to us at the grocery at the time. Once they're all wrapped up, what you're going to do is add the fish and the potatoes to the oven. You're going to cook them for 20 minutes. You're going to take the potatoes out and flip them and then return them to the oven for another 15 minutes. Let the fish just stay in there. It'll be just fine. And then after it's all done, you remove them from the oven and you unwrap the fish and then you serve it within 5 minutes. This dish was really easy and was great to make. So thank you again to everybody for our viewers and patrons, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day.